Hey guys, it's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make Hobby Lobby inspired lollipop decor for Christmas, birthdays, just any occasion that you want a Candyland type of theme. I would have purchased these, but I don't live near a Hobby Lobby, and when I searched online for them, they were literally all sold out. So I figured I would just buy the materials and make my own, and I'm actually kind of glad I did that because they came out just as cute. I can make a whole bunch more instead of just buying one. I can make like 4 at least four for the price of one. So I have the foam disc. You're gonna use some thick yarn like this, okay? Not the thin yarn, but like some thick old yarn, okay? Just go ahead and get your hot glue gun and make the swirly bit, and then add the yarn. This is what I mean. You want to get your glue gun and go ahead and make a swirl around. Now you're gonna have to double or triple it. And make sure you don't burn yourself. Then you're going to just go ahead and start adding your yarn. Like I said, make sure you don't burn yourself. Let me get something. There we go. Yep. And then just keep going around and try to make it even. It's going to be kind of hard, but try to get it as even as you can. If it's not perfect, I mean, that's fine. That's what's going to give it some character. Alright. Let me move this out the way. And then going to... yeah, I recommend like getting something because you do not want to use your fingers. This mess will burn. Now we're going to cut the extra. You go up in there. Now you have a little swirly bit. Really, you're just decorating the lollipops however you want. I've just noticed personally that the ones from Hobby Lobby use yarn, and they also use these beads that are made out of foam. I wonder if I could use glue because I'm over the freaking hot glue gun. I'm just about to experiment real quick and see. I was using a hot glue gun, but for these foam beads, if you want, you can also use Craft Bond, which is a extra strength glue stick. So let me see if I can get the focus. So you can use this instead of a hot glue gun. I was going to use the hot glue gun, but I'm glad I figured out I could use this. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to just lay this on there pretty thick. And then I'm going to pour the beads on here. These beads are so messy. I'm gonna firmly pat it, and then I'm gonna try to dump these beads back in the bowl. Here's the final thing here. I think I'm gonna wrap the outside in more yarn. I think that'd be really cute. So don't mind the mess, you guys. I've been painting and I've really been in here making lollipops. So y'all are gonna see the final result when I'm finished. So I'm going to add pink all around the outside. I think that'll just make it look better in the end. So I cut the extra piece and I'm going to hot glue this last one in. Gosh, that was me trying not to get burnt, y'all. And I still got burnt. Okay, so we have the base to our lollipop, and now we have to do the stick. Now you're gonna need to get some sticks, or one stick. I'm using the bamboo rods. I'm using bamboo rods for this, and what I'm going to do is, you can paint these. I'm not going to paint it. I'm going to wrap it in ribbon. If your stick is plain, then you might want to like hot glue it inside, but since I have all this thick ribbon, it's not going to fall out. And so I'm just going to tap some more beads off, or I'll do it this way. Just going to tap some more of the beads off because some are still falling off. And then what I'm going to do, for a cute little touch, I'm going to add all the ribbon. I'm going to try to get them about the same length. And then what I'm going to do is make a bow. Wow, these are definitely not the same length, but that's okay. I tried. So I'm just going to tie these into a cute little bow. And then I'm going to chop off this long yellow piece and that. Uh-oh. Okay. There you have it, you guys. A really cute Hobby Lobby inspired lollipop for your Christmas tree. That is so cute. And I'm pretty proud of myself. I feel like it looks kind of like it. All you have to do now is just stick it in your tree. Or if you want to add like a hook to the top, then you can hang it. Or you could like hang it from the ceiling. I think that would be a cool look. You could also put it on your wall, like if you stuck it to your wall, if you were doing some type of like Candyland Christmas. I told you guys, I've been making lollipops all day. Look at this one. I think this one's pretty funky. It has the orange and the pink, and I made this little baby one. So all you have to do with this one is completely covered the styrofoam round in white yarn, and then I glued the dots on top of that and tied it in ribbon. And yeah, I really like this one. Here's another one that I did. I think this one's really just cute and pastel. I didn't do anything with the stick because I think what I'm going to do is actually take this off of the stick and make it more into like a gumdrop type of thing, like a disc, and just like stick it in the tree. I don't know yet. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this one, and leave me a comment below of what you would like to see next. I respond to everybody, so don't be shy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.